Hello, this is Rawatron Combat electric motorcycle style e-bike, 72 volt, 20 amp lead acid batteries, 12-inch tires. It has custom programmable controller, can be tuned or programmed up to 80 km an hour. Beautiful color black, has additional Bluetooth stereo system with controls similar to other models, remote start, alarm, anti-theft, LED display, program to 1 2 3 speed, reverse assist, lights, throttle control, high beam, low beam, signals, honk. The charging port is underneath this thing. Let me try to show you. Yes, right underneath there, under the flap. Battery kill switch is underneath the seat. Sorry. This is the air switch or battery kill switch. This is the governor switch for LSM purpose, programmable. Additional wire. It has Votol EM100S, so pretty special. It can be upgraded to lithium. Let's turn it on. Let's turn on the lights here. Beautiful looking bike. We have this in blue as well. Thank you.